In this video, we're going to show you how to install the control board in your dryer. So to install your new control board, the first thing you're going to want to do is look to see if it has a harness that connects it to the user interface. On some models, your control board and your console and user interface are all one. That's the way it'll come out of the box. But in a lot of cases, it's an individual part and you'll need to connect that harness. And on this one, it's quite easy. You're just going to take that harness, lower your parts into the general area where they belong, and take that harness and just plug it in. Now yours may have one harness or two harnesses. Whichever it has, you'll just want to put those into place. And then you're going to move your boards into the proper location. And this one just snaps in place. Others may not have the locking tabs. It may just drop into its locator area and the screws hold it in place. But in this case, we just get it lined up. So if that's locked in, we just need to put our couple of screws in place. And again, your model may not have those screws. So just put your screw into the hole, turn your screwdriver backwards, just for half a turn. You'll feel it drop into a bit of a notch, and then tighten it. If you don't do that, it'll still tighten, but what it's basically starting to do is cut a new set of threads in that plastic, and thereby weakening the plastic and maybe a problem later on for you. Take your wiring harness and slip it in underneath the keeper. And then we'll put our last screw in place. Snug up that last screw. And now we're ready to reinstall our console. So the first thing we're going to want to do is hook up our electrical harnesses. It's pretty easy on this model. They only match to their partner. They're different in sizes. You just insert one side to the other, push it into the little locking tab, grabs a hold, or you hear that little click. And the same for your other harness. There. Now the next thing you're going to want to do is get your console in place. And you'll notice on the console it has a couple of fingers. So those fingers go into these openings in the front. You're just going to want to bring your console down, set those fingers into the appropriate hole, and then just rotate your console forward, and then just apply a little pressure for that top to lock in. So now that you have your console in place, on your model there may be a couple of screws that hold it in. On this one there's not, it's just those plastic tabs that lock it. So now we're going to put our top on, and the top just sets in place a little ways back from the front, and you just slide it forward. And now you just put your screws in the back. On this model there's just 2 screws. On some models it may be 3 or possibly even 4. So just snug your screws and you're all good. And that's how easy it is to install the control board on your dryer.